Don't buy a portable CarPlay screen until you watch this video. Please watch this video till the end because one of these CarPlay screens offers the best combination of display quality, smart features, ease of installation, and value. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is the best overall choice for your car. Whether you're upgrading an older vehicle, adding wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, improving navigation, or enhancing your daily commute with a modern infotainment system, this video is carefully researched to help you make the right decision without confusion or hype. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. 9.26-inch wireless CarPlay screen. The 9.26-inch wireless CarPlay screen is a plug-and-play portable display that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It also features Bluetooth 5.2, GPS navigation, OTA updates, mirror link functionality, and includes a backup camera for added convenience. Review highlights. This model is a great option for drivers looking for a simple upgrade without replacing their factory stereo. The wireless connectivity works smoothly, and the OTA update support helps keep the software current over time. Pros: 9.26-inch HD touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity, OTA software updates, backup camera included, quick plug-and-play installation. Number 4. 9-inch wireless CarPlay screen. This 9-inch portable CarPlay screen supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while also including a 4K dash camera, 1080p backup camera, GPS navigation, Bluetooth, FM transmission, mirror link, and voice control. Review highlights. The combination of front and rear cameras makes this unit especially attractive for drivers who want added safety features alongside a modern infotainment display. The responsive touchscreen and voice control provide a smooth driving experience. Pros: wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in 4K dash cam, 1080p backup camera, Siri voice control, GPS navigation, Bluetooth and FM transmitter. Number 3. HK3 10.26-inch screen. The HK3 CarPlay screen features a large 10.26-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a built-in 4K dash cam, 1080p backup camera, 64GB TF card, GPS navigation, Bluetooth, mirror link, and voice control. Review highlights. Its larger display provides a better viewing experience for maps, media, and navigation. The included 64GB memory card is a nice bonus for storing dashcam footage, making this a feature-rich option for everyday driving. Pros: large 10.26-inch display, built-in 4K dashcam, 1080p backup camera, 64GB TF card, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice control and GPS navigation. Number 2. 9-inch wireless Apple screen. This 9-inch portable touchscreen supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with OTA updates, GPS navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, mirror link, FM transmission, voice control, and a backup camera. Review highlights. The responsive interface and reliable wireless connection make this unit an excellent choice for drivers who want modern smartphone integration without installing a completely new head unit. OTA updates also help improve long-term usability. Pros: wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, OTA software updates, backup camera included, GPS navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, easy installation, smooth touchscreen performance. Number 1. 10-inch portable Apple screen. The 10-inch portable Apple CarPlay screen combines a large HD touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a built-in 4K dashcam, 1080p backup camera, GPS navigation, mirror link, voice control, and music playback support. Review highlights. This model delivers the most complete package in the lineup. The larger display improves visibility for navigation and media controls, while the 4K dash camera and high-definition backup camera enhance driving safety. Wireless smartphone connectivity works seamlessly, making it an excellent upgrade for almost any vehicle. Pros: large 10.26-inch HD touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in 4K dash cam, 1080p backup camera, GPS navigation, mirror link support, voice control, excellent overall value. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing display quality, wireless connectivity, smart features, camera performance, ease of installation, and overall value, the 10-inch portable Apple CarPlay screen is the best overall CarPlay screen. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.